Yesterday, increasingly politicized and weaponized DCI purported to issue a 72-hour summons and orders requiring me to surrender non-existent 10 guns and 480 bullets. I am consulting with my lawyers on these summons. They are ingenuous, feeble, and a political witch hunt. The DCI has maliciously and politically been violating my fundamental rights and freedoms. Not too long ago, you saw ATPU break into these very same premises. They have been subjecting me to political persecution and repression, and this dates back all the way to the year 2017. However, I want to state categorically here that I will neither surrender nor succumb to this abuse of law enforcement agencies for political purposes. In June 2019, the High Court ordered that the state return all my firearms that were confiscated in 2017. The judge ruled that the state had acted irrationally by cutting away those guns while I still held a valid license. The court declared that my rights were violated by the DCI. The judge cited the actions of the DCI as being unlawful and actuated by malice. Malice. The court granted orders that all firearms be returned to me, and it has never happened. The High Court squashed the charges and summons that had been issued against me after finding that the case pressed against me was done out of bad faith and sinister motives. I want to reiterate what I said outside the courts in Milimani. George Kinoti is but a poodle in this political game. He is a convict. He was convicted last year in February by the courts. And really, a convict cannot be a police officer. In November 2021, the High Court sentenced Kinoti to 4 months imprisonment for disobeying that court order. He is an embodiment of impunity and abuse of power. He has not obeyed any of those orders. The judge earlier directed that the DCI return all firearms that were taken from my residence. Today, he has the audacity to ask me to give him firearms.